Hi everyone. So my Hobonichi arrived. It was so super fast with the FedEx method that they used this year. I want to say from the time they posted the FedEx tracking number, it probably stayed in Japan for another 3 days. And then the second it registered in the US, I received it the same day. It was amazing. So I got the A5 cover on cover. And this one I got for the A5 because I knew it was a fabric cover and it has white. So I definitely wanted to protect this particular one. It's that handkerchief type of material, and the interior of this is plenty well protected. It's that like shiny type of material that pretty waterproof. These cute little leather flower petal looking things. And this is the Kodue pattern, or that's the artist's name. What's really nice is each of these covers, they give you a detailed card about the name of the artist, what they're known for, what their history is, and a little bit of the background of that particular cover. So I like to keep these little cards in the pocket, and I either stick them in the journal or I just leave them right in one of my card pockets. Even if it's not showing, I always save it inside of the planner that it belongs to. Super easy to put the cover on. Now this one, even though later you're going to see that I put the day free planner in this, I'm probably using it with my Stalogy this year. I had really good success with the Stalogy 365. It's for my meeting Bible journal that whenever we can go to buildings that I take with me. And I did really well in one of those books this year. So I'm going to do the same thing next year. So I think I'm going to end up putting my new Stalogy into this cover. Now this one I just got for fun, so I did not buy a cover on cover for this one, and it's a perfect decision because after I felt this material, I can tell it's going to be very resilient. It's not going to get marked up too easily. Same thing with this cover. It comes with a detailed description of the name of the artist, Roji Arai, and he's the one that also made the cat and the donkey covers that we've had in the past, along with that little cartoonish looking city I guess we had not too long ago. I usually get one of the pencil boards each year. The size varies depending on what I think I'll use the most, but I thought this color would go particularly well with the A5 cover that I bought since it has red and yellow in it. So I'll be using that with the A5 planner that I put in here. I bought the accessories that match that A6 cover. I really loved this Fusen card this year. I haven't bought this card every year, but I really liked this one and the little page flags. Now these work just like the Post-it note page flags that we have, and as you pull them, they'll go pull up into the different direction. They alternate from up, and then if you pull the next one, it'll alternate to down. So, but these page flags work great. I use them a lot in my Hobonichi weeks. So if I know I'm not going to keep a page marker in there permanently, but I definitely want to mark my current spot, I usually do it with the Fusen. I also got another one of these. I've used these in my weeks, but I thought this one would be nice to use in here, not only because it matches so well with that nice yellow band that it has, but also because this is a blank notebook that it's going to go in, and that'll help me mark those pages. This is another one of my favorite accessories I showed in my last video, the double stick tape. It works great to just stick stuff in the journals. And so to go inside of that A6, this is the second Hobonichi Papers I bought. The first one I originally purchased back in 2015, and this one with the little bird cover was just so adorable. I went ahead and got that one to include since it matches perfectly with this A6 cover. These are super easy to slide in. You can put the cover on both sides like normal, but lately I've just been doing it with just the back cover, and they stay plenty stable for me personally, and that just frees up the pockets more for me in the front. So I've really preferred this method of sticking my planners into my Hobonichi covers, and then I just kind of puff out those loops a little bit because they come from the factory really flat. So for my everyday carry is going to be this week's. It's the bow and tie. This one is called Swallows. The unique thing with the Swallows pattern or the bow and tie is that there's always one special feature that is in a different spot on everyone's cover. My daisy is right here, almost on the spine, and way up here in the left corner. So for me, not the ideal spots where I wanted them, but they still look nice. I can't complain too much. So I really like the cover. I do already have a cover on cover in storage. I had bought an extra one on accident last year, so I'll be using that one. And since I bought two of the planners, the day free as well as the weeks only come with the pen. They do not come with the brush pen. What's nice about this year's is it's this really nice navy, this deep navy, almost black, and it has the 20th anniversary mark on it in this nice contrast of a silver. So I thought it would match not only my A5 really well, but it'll also match my Hobonichi Weeks very well. So I love these Uni Jetstream pens. I use them every year. And then this is the day free. For now, I'm putting it inside of this A5, but it's probably not going to stay in this particular cover. I'm seriously contemplating another cover as far as my everyday carry back and forth to my volunteer job that I do. So this cover is probably not going to end up staying, but I'm just saving this booklet in here for now just so it doesn't get dog-eared or anything like that. So this is a nice large monthly calendar layout, and then it just goes directly into blank pages. So I really do like that, and I just think a fuller journal will firm up this cover a little more since it is a fabric journal. A thicker A5 type of full journal is what I really want to put in here in the end. But that's what it looks like for today. So those are my selections for this year. What did you select? Please comment below and let me know what covers you liked this year and that you purchased, but also so that I can find your channel as well as all the others that are reading these comments so that we can see your channel and watch your videos as well. I'd love to see, especially those of you that do artwork in your journals. I love watching those videos. So please let me know how you use your Hobonichi journals. And if you enjoy videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.